They say that before the Romans' days, you see, it started. Well, of course, whether it was, we don't know. Never kept the record. Yes. You see, they was drinking cider all the time. That's all they drunk in them days. You see, there wasn't nothing much else for them. Cider and bread and cheese. They're all tied up with cardboard right each side and ribbons and that. They're all together by the time they finish up. They don't break up. No. Well, what they used to do, you see, if anyone had a quarrel over the years and they wanted to settle it, it was always settled on cheese rolling day. Tom Window, that was the MC of those days. He kept on my son all the time because he wouldn't run down, you see. I've given him a warning. I said I'm not to run down. And I was stood out in the front here with my dear wife, Barry, said to me, she said, Dad, she said, that's all right, that lie up there. I said, no. I said, he won't run. I said, I told him not to run. She said, it's him. She said, I can tell you it's him. Don't he come like a shot, won the cheese and everything. Tom Window, I said, he said, but do you know why it is? He says, your rye, he says, wins all these cheeses, don't you? And I says, no. He says, I don't. Well, he said, he follows where the rabbits goes. He said, he goes down where they runs. He said, that's what he does. He said, he follows their rabbit runs. He said, oh, he gets, he wins his cheeses. Oh, yeah, there's some good times.
What are we ready? Should we steady? Reach the press, far away! With the top speed, keep your eye on the cheese. Never mind the runners, keep your eye on the cheese until it hits the fence at the bottom. Keep your eye on the cheese.
It's the first one who gets to get to the cheese, you see. But by the time they finish up there, they don't know whether they're on foot or back or where they are. They say they're upside down and their heads all gone dizzy, and I don't know where they think they are. They don't know where they got to. You said some of them will be knocked out for a few minutes, and then you come round, and then you go on running again, and you get there, you see, when there's another fella knocked out. Oh, it's a silly idea, a silly thing, absolutely. They absolutely exhaust themselves. They still do it, and it is dangerous, but then it's up to them. People that wants to race to win a cheese, for a 7-pound cheese, you see what he's worth a good bit today. Well, because when some of them win them, they can take them down to the shops and sell them. Make a bit of money on them, you see. A lot of people said it ought to be stopped and all this and that, but it's still got a committee, and they still got money in the committee, and money's left to the committee, you see, as well, from people who die, and they still run it, and there it is. It's still going on and on.